Most countries in the world have their own race with their own 5th generation aircraft. That is Russia's Sukhoi Su-57, US Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, US Lockheed Martin F-35B, and China's Chengdu J-20. But don't you know there is one aircraft that is most feared even nowadays? It is old, slow, and outdated. But why it is the most feared aircraft? Let's talk about Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt, or also known as A-10 Warthog. The Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt is a single-seat, twin-turbofan engine, straight-wing jet aircraft developed by Fairchild for the United States Air Force. With a top speed of 706 km/h, introduced March 1977 with a wingspan of 18 meters, number built 716, and manufactured by Fairchild Aircraft. A-10 was designed around a 30mm JAU-8 average rotary cannon. Its airframe was designed for durability with a measure such as 1,200 pounds or 540 kilograms of titanium armor to protect the cockpit and the aircraft's systems. The A-10 served in the Gulf War, Operation Desert Storm, the American-led invasion against Iraq's invasion of Kuwait, where the aircraft distinguished itself.
The sound of the gun is one of its most identifiable characteristics. The bullets actually go faster than the speed of sound.
When you're on the ground, you get in a hostile firefight. Those A-10s, when you hear them coming in, it's the sweetest sound you can hear. You see the rounds impacting exactly where you told them to. You hear the sound of them firing. And you know that those bad guys, they're not having a good day.
The A-10 also participated in other conflicts, such as in Grenada, the Balkans, Afghanistan, Iraq, and against Islamic State in the Middle East. A-10 is used in close air support combat. It is devastating, and even tanks can't resist its power. Most soldiers in the field prefer to use A-10 than any other aircraft, as it is they are the one who are piloting it. And here are some footages of how devastating is the A-10 Warthog.
Save our ammo, they're about to drop a bomb on that.
That's why. They ain't alive no more.
To itself.
That's all for our A-10 Warthog. If you know some information about how devastating is our A-10, please leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.